Hey there, fellow business owners. Ever wondered how many bank accounts you can actually connect to your Xero account? The ones that feed all those juicy transactions into your accounting software, making your life a whole lot easier. Well, today we're diving deep into this question. Because let's be honest, juggling multiple bank accounts is a real headache. And if Xero can't keep up, that's a whole other level of chaos we're trying to avoid. So, grab a cup of coffee or tea. No judgment here. And let's get into it. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of account limits, let's talk about why this even matters in the first place. Simplified reconciliation. Connecting all your bank accounts to Xero streamlines the reconciliation process. No more manually entering transactions, which saves you tons of time and reduces the risk of errors. Improved cash flow visibility. With all your accounts connected, you get a crystal clear picture of your cash flow. You can easily track incoming and outgoing funds, identify potential cash flow bottlenecks, and make informed financial decisions. Better reporting. Accurate and up-to-date bank account information is crucial for generating reliable financial reports. Whether you're preparing for tax season, applying for a loan, or simply analyzing your business performance, Xero provides the data you need. The Xero limit unveiled. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. How many bank accounts can you actually connect to Xero? The good news is, Xero doesn't impose a strict limit on the number of bank accounts you can connect. While there's no hard limit, there are some factors to consider. Account types. Xero supports a wide range of account types, including checking, savings, credit cards, and even loan accounts. Bank compatibility. Not all banks and financial institutions are equally compatible with Xero. Some may require manual bank feeds, while others offer seamless integrations. Your Xero plan. Depending on your Xero subscription plan, you might have access to different features and integration options. Tips for managing multiple accounts in Xero. Even without a strict limit, managing multiple accounts in Xero can still feel overwhelming. Here are a few tips to keep things organized. Create account groups. Group your accounts logically within Xero. For example, you could create groups for business accounts, personal accounts, or loan accounts. Use account tags. Tag your accounts to easily filter and categorize transactions. For example, you could tag your business checking account with business and your personal savings account with personal. Regularly review bank feeds. Monitor your bank feeds regularly to ensure they're updating correctly and identify any discrepancies. Utilize Xero's reporting features. Leverage Xero's powerful reporting tools to gain insights into your cash flow across all your accounts. Consider a chart of accounts. A well-structured chart of accounts is essential for organizing your financial data effectively. Troubleshooting common issues. Bank feed errors. If you're experiencing issues with your bank feeds, try these troubleshooting steps. Check your internet connection. Ensure your bank credentials are correct. Contact your bank to confirm they support Xero integrations. Reach out to Xero support for assistance. Account limitations. If you encounter any limitations related to the number of accounts you can connect or the features available to you, review your Xero subscription plan and consider upgrading if necessary. Best practices for connecting bank accounts. Prioritize high-volume accounts. Start by connecting your most frequently used accounts, such as your primary business checking and savings accounts. Test integrations thoroughly. Before fully relying on a bank feed, test it thoroughly to ensure accuracy and identify any potential issues. Keep your account information updated. Regularly review and update your bank account information in Xero to maintain accurate records. So, there you have it. While Xero doesn't impose a strict limit on the number of bank accounts you can connect, it's crucial to consider factors like account types, bank compatibility, and your Xero plan. By following the tips and best practices we've discussed, you can effectively manage multiple accounts in Xero, streamline your accounting processes, and gain valuable insights into your business finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.